What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We have an exciting video today. I'm actually excited. These are cool. These were sent to me by a company called SOLLA. All right, these are solar paneled outdoor security floodlights. Pretty cool. I like the black one here. We have it on test mode. Okay, you can see the lights are coming on. When you connect these two, you're going to have to charge these in the sun for at least an hour. All right, and we have all different ways we can use these lights. Video today, we're going to be installing this black one in the backyard of a piece of property where we can't get to any electrical power. It's just too costly to send a conduit out to that location, and we want to have some security at night. So this will be mounted in a tree. Okay, we're going to go through the process. Very simple. Comes with a bracket here. You're going to screw this bracket to the tree. They give you some screws here, and then on the back of this guy you're going to see it kind of clips into place. This light here has a lot of different features. You can set the distance here where my thumb is from 33 feet down to 10 feet. The MLD, if you want to, you can do a low mode, a dark mode, okay, like a sensitivity for the security. And then we have obviously the test. We have a 10-second and a 20-second, okay? And then we have the light. Either you can do it dim, you can do it middle, and then you can do it very bright. And obviously on here, like many others, you can adjust left, right, up and down. You can actually see the lights are coming on already from the test mode. All right, then over to this guy, which is a little bit bigger. This comes in white. This also has adjustable lighting. Okay, you can put this up into a corner of a piece of property. You can mount this on brick. You can mount this both on brick, both on wood. You can mount them at the peaks. You can mount them underneath fascias. It gives you an extension line right here. So if you need to find a good source of sun, you could move this up to 12 feet away from this unit, and you'll just staple this wire nice and neat, and you'll have to plug the plug here into the unit here, just like we did on this one here. See how it's plugged in? The greatest thing about it is you do not need power. I do recommend you get at least one of these for your property. Okay, if you lose power, you'll always have these out front by the front door, back door, you know, security purposes. Okay, so let's get to it. What do you think, son? Which one do you like? All right, we'll figure it out later. So we're going to get to it. We're going to get a ladder. We're going to mount this guy on a tree. And then this one here, we're going to put on a house in a location where there is no power. So this is a perfect way to do it. A couple of screws, you mount it. Very, very basic. And you program what you'd like. You know, the sensitivity and stuff. You're going to go through the owner's manuals. They give them to you in each light. And so let's get to it. All right, you're just going to need one thing. You're going to need a drill, Phillips head bit, and we're going to take the fixture out to the tree. All right, so as you can see, we're going to use this tree on the property line. We have some sun there on the tree, which will be nice. That's where we can mount our solar, so we can keep our solar panel close to the fixture. And the reason being is there's no electrical up here, and we want security light down on the firewood, and it lights up this part of the property at night. Are you going to put the bracket where it says up? 4 screws. You're going to take your light and you're going to do all your adjustments here. Okay, then you're going to clip it on, and then we're going to put the solar panel right below it. All right, what I did was I mounted the panel right below the light. All right, what I recommend is you take the extra wire, wrap it around with a tie wrap, and hold it behind the light. Okay, have a little slack here, and then you can remove your protective little plastic here off the lenses. adjust your lights the way you think it'll look okay from up here. And like I said, we're going to test it tonight and see what we have, okay? That's it. Let's get down and see what it looks like from the ground. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's zoom out. All right, we're up here mounting the white one. Now, if you plan on putting it on the top of your roof here, this bracket they give you, this little thin one, when you put it on, you can't slide this piece in and lock it in. So what you have to do, you got to get yourself a little block, piece of 2x4, mount it, and then mount your bracket to that. Then it'll give you the spacing that you need. And you won't see that from the ground. So let me put this up, then I'll put our bracket on, then I'll put the light on. All right, this one came out a little bit better, I think. I put the solar panel underneath the eave to protect it from the weather. The wire is also underneath the eave, which is nice. The sun hits this full blast for about 4 or 5, 6 hours in the morning, so it'll charge up just enough. This whole front of the house gets really, really sunny. We have it on test mode, so we're up here. We can actually test it, and there you go. We're going to get down into the driveway. All right, we're going to walk and approach the light, check how it is adjusted. Then underneath here on this one, you have all your features. You have your test, your 30-second, 90-second, 120-second, and then your strength of light. I'm going to put it full blast. I'll switch it to auto, which you want it on. You can have it off, on permanently, or auto. After testing it, I'm going to switch that test, which is the middle slot. I'm going to move it over to the 60-second mark. All right, well, that's it. Let's see. Bring it to 60-second. And that'll be it. Looks pretty nice. Again, you can adjust these. They're adjustable. 3 of them, pretty bright. And back there, we zoom in. That's the light we put on before. If you're looking for a solar light, look at the Sulla. I like it. It's a nice looking light here. Let's back this up so you can see what it looks like. Let's go down on the ground and we'll get a better look. All right, well, that's it. It's on the peak. We're gonna wait for the sun to go down. That's when that sensor is gonna work, and we'll come out and test it. Sulla, the solar powered security lights. The best part is you don't need electricity, especially with all the high prices today. All right, so it's dark now. We're gonna go outside. We're gonna walk out into the driveway. I'll face the house and see when the light comes on. There you go. Look at that. I'll tell you what, it lights everything up. Let me stand back a little bit. We got some cars coming through. But yeah, look at that. It really lights up the front. I'll tell you, the best part about this is it is totally free. No electricity. Look at that. I'm really shocked at the power of the light. Okay, it comes all the way down here, which is perfect. Underneath here, we do have wired in motion sensors. We have them turned off now, though. We have them on. We have them under here, and we have them on the other side of the house. But that one at the peak, they just wanted at nighttime, if anyone approached, it would come on first before they got to the front of the house. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Hey, Sonny, what do you got to do, son? Excuse me. Have you seen Sonny?